So I'm going to be trying. I got an iPad mini and the screen was trashed. It was bad. So I watched the video, but I don't remember what I watched. I can't remember yesterday, So I'm going to see if I can't do this by myself. I know there's a thing to unplug and some screws, that busted. I just want to put a glove on because I don't know what the glass looks like or whatever. So I got this box a couple days ago. And I'm new to this, so I'm just trying to see how, I started this page years ago, but now I'm trying new things. So let's see how this goes. So here's the screen. I already looked at it. Haven't taken it out or nothing. It comes in a bag. I got my little desk here. It's my board. I don't really have a desk. I live in a nursing home, so I kind of do everything with what I got. So this is kind of my desk. It comes with tools. Maybe I will watch YouTube because it looks like. See, here's what I got. iPad mini. Got it 15 bucks. Broken screen, 20 bucks. So I got the screen for, I want to say $12, maybe $14 off of eBay, and they sent me these tools with it. So what you get are these screwdrivers. Like I said, I really watched a YouTube video one time. That was just to take the screen off, and then I didn't really watch beyond cutting it, and so I just cut it because it said order one with, So you get these screwdrivers. And you get a cup, I'm sure, to take something off. And obviously some screen tools, some pry bars. And 2 guitar chips, guitar picks. No, I'm sure they're for the screen to hold them. And a SIM card. P. I didn't think this thing had a SIM card. Maybe I bought the wrong one. Well, so this is how we'll do it. I got a camera right here. So, let's see. See, there's a little foam right here. I know they said to take off all the foam. I used a knife. I think I want to say a flip blade knife just to take the screen off. Nothing special. Maybe I was supposed to save these things? No, they're just more padding. Okay. So, I'm just going to. That's not it. Taking screws off now. So right now what I'm doing is removing all these screws from around the screen, and I will go from there, and I'm going to try to take off the screen now. I've already taken the screws out. There's 4 main screws. There's some bottom screws that you don't need to mess with, just to four around the screen. So I got the screen off. So at this point, I think that I've actually ripped off part of tape that was supposed to be needed for the actual iPad screen, but I didn't. So I continued on. I'm taking the back plate off. There's like 30, 40, 50 screws on the back. I think about 12. But I'm removing those now, and I will continue on until I get the back heat plate off, and then I'll go from there. So I'm finally getting the back plate removed. I've taken all the screws out. I figured out that if you pull from the middle and bend the two outsides, it'll work just fine. It'll get it all fine.
Removing these screws, so I really don't want to get any right off the back. But I'm not an engineer. I'm not an Apple genius. I'm just your average Joe doing average stuff. So I'm watching YouTube again and see.
So what I've just done is I'm unplugging these connectors for the screens. I'm kind of double checking to make sure that they match. I didn't know if they were matching or what. I finally realized there's a piece of tape around the actual plug, so I took the tape off and it fit just fine, and I'm ripping the other one off because it was taped down. So I figured it out.
I got the wrong one. Okay. So if I'm right. Alright, so did that. Alright, did that. Let me put this shit back. There's no need for that. So put this back. So basically you take a bunch of screws out.
So now what I'm doing before I actually put the screws back in is just checking the screen, making sure that it works and the touch screen works and everything worked fine. You should be doing this while the power's off. Some can disconnect the battery, but I'm kind of a daredevil, so that's how it works. That's the actual plate. That's the connecting plate that I talked about earlier. It's got 3 screws in it after you plug the screens back up. I'm putting those back in, and then I will finally continue on with the back plate and the heat plate and the screen and the plate. I'm just going backwards. I'm actually trying to get the heat plate back on exactly right. It was kind of weird. I think I bent it a little bit trying to get it out at first, but I started to figure it out.
Okay, so about 50 freaking.
Well, I didn't know my camera switched off, but I ended up getting it. I fixed it. Everything works. Wasn't that hard. I do recommend getting good tape for the back of this because it's not one that's staying in very well. I'll probably get some super glue because I'm going to buy a case for it anyways and sell it with the case. But yeah, tell me what you think. Thank you.